In my previous video, I showed how to do this. So if you haven't watched, you can click on the description below so that you can see this video. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this. For the new month using the same method that I use. If this is your first time of jumping on any of my videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that I can get notified whenever I drop any video on this YouTube channel. Let's go to a tutorial. Go to Play Store and type Pink. So this is the app. It's already installed on my phone. Just click on open and it's going to be like this. So make sure click on this place. If you want to use the AI, click on this. So you are going to sign up if you don't have an account. So I have an account already. If you don't have an account, just click on create one and you are going to create one. So I have an account already. Let me just log in. Now I'm signed in. Yes, so you go back and you click on this. As I've said, it's going to take you to this interface. So this is what we're going to click on, this copilot. Yes, so it's going to take you to this interface. What do you want to do? We want to give it a prompt. So let us do it this way. So let's give it to AI and see what it brings to us. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, click like and share it with your friends. So AI is generating it for us, so let's wait for it. There are a lot of ways you can generate this image depending on how you know how to craft the prompt for the AI. Yes, can you see now? So we have the image generated for us. Can you see? So you click on this and you download. You click and you download. Yes, there is a lot of things you can use this AI for. So if you want some prompts, you can join my Telegram group in the description below so that I can give you more prompts whereby you can use to generate more image and use it for your brand or for your clients. Thanks for watching. God bless you and I'll see you on the other side.